Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be creating this beautiful look right here by using all drugstore products, and all of these products are available on Amazon, and as Amazon is having their end of season sale, I picked a few of my favorite products that I wanted to try out. Today I'll be sharing with you what I think about them, and as the sale is here, you can also shop your heart out. And if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then please keep on watching, but also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell to stay updated every single time I upload a video. And now let's go. Let's start with the Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream, and this is from Face Shop, and this is a really good moisturizer for winter season. This moisturizes your skin really well and makes your skin look soft and supple. Next, for my primer, I'm using this Colorbar Flawless Finish Primer, and I wanted to try this for a really long time. So recently I picked this one up from Amazon on a discounted price, and I really liked this primer. For my concealer, I'm using this Swiss Beauty HD Concealer, and this is such a good concealer. I am in the shade 05 Stark Nude. If you are looking for a good concealer under budget, definitely do check this one out. I like picking up my favorite products during the Amazon sale because you are getting huge discounts with good quality products, and all of these products are affordable. And as I have Amazon Prime, so I got these products delivered just within a day. So first I applied the concealer wherever I think I need a little bit of coverage, and then I'm blending everything out with my beauty blender. And a lot of you ask me what beauty blender I use, so this one is also from Colorbar. This is so affordable but really good. For my foundation, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless one, and now it comes with a pump, which is a really good thing, and I'm in the shade 128. I recently got this Sugar Cosmetics Dream Cover Mattifying Compact. It has SPF of 15 and I'm in the shade 10 Latte. To contour my face, today I'm using my favorite palette of all time. This is the Sugar Contour the Force palette in the shade Subtle Summit. First applying the blush on the apples of my cheeks. Then taking the contour shade to give some structure back to my face. A makeup look is never complete without a highlighter, and this particular highlighter from this palette is my abso-freaking-lutely favorite, and I'm applying it on all of the highest points of my face. Let's move on to the brows, and I recently got this brow pencil from Amazon, I think last month, and oh my god, this is such a good brow pencil. This comes with a really fine tip that makes your application so easy and neat. I just fell in love with this pencil. Coming to the eyes, and this time I got two new eyeshadow palettes to share with you guys. I'm starting off with the Pigment Play palette, and this is a new launch. This is in the shade Blushing Queen, and I recently saw this on Amazon and I got it. Next, I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Forever Dynamic Dynasty palette. Both of these palettes are so beautiful. They are so freaking pigmented and blendable. I liked both of them. I'm really happy with the quality of these palettes. I'm glad that I got these two palettes during the sale at a good discounted price, so they are totally worth it. Then taking this beautiful middle shade from the Pigment Play palette, and the pigmentation and payoff of this palette is top notch. As you guys can see, it just applies so well and it's so blendable. Taking this beautiful reddish brown shade and applying it on the outer corners of my eyes just to define my eyes a little bit. Then with the help of a clean fluffy brush, I'm just blending out the edges so that everything looks nice, seamless and neat. Then taking this shade from the Pigment Play palette and just smoking out my bottom lash line. I recently got this Colorbar waterproof liquid liner and this is the first time I'm using it in front of the camera. This is a really affordable liner and comes with a fairy tip applicator that just makes your application really easy. And then I applied some mascara on my upper and bottom lashes. All of the product links and details are mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Then to complete the eye look, I applied Sugar Coal of Honor Intense Kajal, and this is such a good kajal, I would totally recommend it. Coming to the lips, and I got two new lipsticks today. The first one is this Colorbar Sinful Matte Lipstick in the shade Stripped. The formula of this lipstick is just magic, okay? It just glides like butter and look at the color, it's so beautiful. I am so in love with this particular lipstick. I'm gonna get some more shades. And next I have the NY Bay lipstick in the shade Peppy Pearson, and I so wanted to try this particular shade. Look at that, how beautiful this is. This color looks so beautiful and I'm totally in love with these two lipsticks. And here's the completed makeup look. So yeah guys, that's about it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. And also let me know in the comment section below if you find this video helpful or not. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And all of the product links and details, everything will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And as Amazon is having their end of season sale, you can pick up all of these products on a great discounted price, so don't forget to check these products out. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.